Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you my mini Lego remote control car. It doesn't actually work, but it's just a cool feature you can give to your minifigures. So let's get started. Just get that out of the way. So these two are the pieces you'll need for the car. The car itself. For the remote will be another set of pieces. So you need this piece that looks like a car itself. And then you need this piece. You attach it like that. That would be the antenna of the car. And now I have these controller pieces from a Ninjago set. I'll be using that as the remote control of the car. But if you don't have that piece, you can also make it a control just like this. These are the three pieces you'll need. You need this 1x2 piece. It doesn't matter what color you get. And then you need like a transparent stud. Any color will work. And then this antenna piece that we used on the car. Then you can just hand it to your minifigures just like this. And now they can drive their new remote control car. I hope you guys enjoyed today's videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.